and the rope. And the lead is taken by entry number 1, and that is Caloocan Sprite by the Rail Playmaker on the outside. It is now Playmaker followed by Caloocan Sprite, bootlegs, Ayanako by the Rail, Ilocos Pride, and entry number 4, So Gorgeous. And as they lift their straight, it's Playmaker by a length and a half, followed by Caloocan Sprite in second, and bootlegs running in third by 4.5 legs, So Gorgeous by the Rail, Ilocos Pride, and Ayanako. The mid-back stretch is still Playmaker by a length and a half, followed by Caloocan Sprite in second, bootlegs remains in third by 5 lengths. On the outside, Ilocos Pride, So Gorgeous, and Ayanako. Nearing the far turn, it is still Playmaker by a length and a half, followed by Caloocan Sprite in second, and bootlegs remains in third. Ilocos Pride moving up on the outside, So Gorgeous remains in fifth, and Ayanako. And at the far turn, the lead is taken over now by Caloocan Sprite on the outside. By the rail is Playmaker, bootlegs, Ilocos Pride, So Gorgeous moving up on the inside. At the top of the stretch is Caloocan Sprite on the outside, Playmaker by the rail, So Gorgeous moving up on the inside, and moving up on the farther outside, Ilocos Pride, and bootlegs now moving up on the farther outside, but it's still Playmaker, So Gorgeous by the rail, bootlegs on the farther outside. It is still entry number 2, Playmaker, and finally at the payoff line, Playmaker.
Alright, numero 2 po, segundo llamado lang yan, si Playmaker. At may challenge coming from number 1, Caloocan Sprite.